Hello everybody and welcome to English 101 with David Hancock. I am David Hancock and Steinbeck, and this is Steinbeck here. Yes. Our good pup, our channel mascot. Yes, you are. In today's episode of Word versus Word, we're going to talk about assistant versus assistance. So assistant ends with A-N-T and assistance ends with A-N-C-E. Also talk about assistance ending in A-N-T-S. So assistant, A-S-S-I-S-T-A-N-T, is the person who provides assistance. So you could have an assistant professor, somebody who helps the professor, an assistant dentist, somebody who helps the dentist. Something like a personal assistant. A lot of very wealthy people, I'm told, I wouldn't know anything about this, have assistants, A-N-T-S, who help them manage the things that go on in their lives. So assistant, ending in A-N-T, is a singular noun. It's a person or sometimes a thing that helps. If you have the predecessor to smartphones were called PDAs. That's an acronym for personal data or personal digital assistant. I used to sell these things back in the day, and we'd have, back when I was living in Chicago, and our store, we had a really strict policy about not asking for autographs from customers. So the Chicago Bears, the Chicago Bulls, some of the Cubs and White Sox, and some of the TV personalities in Chicago would come into the store to buy tech from us. And this was back in the day when Palm Pilots were really cool. And it was pretty neat. I grew up as a big fan of Bill Curtis. He came into the store one day. He was a Chicago newscaster. And he came into the store one day. And some of the Bulls players, I was there when Scottie Pippen and Dennis Rodman came in. Some of the others who I don't remember the names of. I was not there the day that Michael Jordan came in to buy from us. Some of the Bears players came in as well. At any rate, so we used to sell them. It was very popular for them to buy these PDAs, personal digital assistant. So an assistant is a person or a thing that helps with a task or set of tasks. Assistants, A-N-T-S, is plural. So if a professor has 3 people helping them teach the class, they might have 3 teaching assistants, A-N-T-S. Those assistants are people who help with the teaching. So when you have the word ending in the letters A-N-T, that's a person or a thing that does the assisting. Assistants, ending in A-N-C-E, can never end with an S. It can never be plural in English because it's a concept. It's an idea. It's also an action. But it's the part of speech is a noun. Assistance ending in A-N-C-E is the help provided. So let's say you have a professor who has teaching assistants, A-N-T-S. They are providing assistance, A-N-C-E, in the form of answering questions, grading papers, handing out assignments, collecting homework, things like that. So the assistance, A-N-C-E, is the task that is performed by the assistant, A-N-T, or assistants, A-N-T-S. So here's a sentence I'm going to use, and I'll put it up on the screen here so you can see it, that shows how these words can be used in the same sentence. The teaching assistants provide vital assistance. That's an easy way to remember it. The A-N-T or A-N-T-S are the people. The A-N-C-E is the action or the help that they provide. That's the difference between the two, Those are ways that they are used. And this has been Word versus Word, and I'll see you in the next episode. I'm glad that you have forgiven me for not taking you on any hikes this week, Pop, but I do also need to get up.